Hi guys, here we have a police helicopter. I've just located it and it just flew right by my house. It's just hovering as well. And there we have a red kite, which is quite interesting because that's been flying over my house for a while. Just doing things. I was doing just like random things and then that just came flying past my window. I haven't spotted any planes today, apart from one which I couldn't recognise. I've never had a police helicopter this close. Once before I had a ambulance helicopter land in the school field over there. I wonder what this is doing. It might be searching for some guys or anything, really. There's the pigeons flying off. On the video it seems really far away, but it actually isn't. Most birds have fled the area because of the helicopter. Just keep on watching this until it moves, which could be any time really. Like I said guys, please watch Mahon Airport 30th of the 8th 2013 and the top 10 best games and the Airbus A380 British Airways over my house. They are very good things, and comment on those as well please. We'd really like to see what you've had over your house and things like that. And don't forget to watch the top 10 best game apps as well, like Plane Finder, very good app. Any plane over your area, you just set up an alert and it'll automatically come up on your device. It's not compatible with Samsung small phones, so it has to be like a tablet. It's just moved a bit closer to my house. Probably trying to catch some criminal or traffic offence. There are still a few birds, but not many. It's very loud as well. Now a helicopter is on the move. And our helicopter is going off into the distance. It's Probably because it isn't needed anymore, or it has to go to another job somewhere else in the district. Right, thank you for watching and goodbye.